Alright everybody, welcome back to Twisted V Twin Garage. We haven't did no videos for a while, but as you can see, we are back in the shop. Getting everything geared up. Got a couple tractors in here. And you guys can remember Ron's tractor here. It was pushing some oil. We got that one figured out. It's ready to go. This one we did last season. Pulling season's well underway. He took it out to a money pull last weekend. He took two first place, messed the head up, dropped the valve, and it ripped the threads right out of the rocker piece in the head. So getting another head for it, get this one fixed up and get it back out running. So we've been getting busy here. Figured I'd shoot a video. I haven't did it for a while. Let you all know what we're doing. Been on a little break here with my back problem. So we're going to keep chipping away on these pulling tractors and hopefully be able to get out and get some video shot of these tractors pulling. I don't know. I got to find a driver for my modified tractor, because with my back I'm not going to be able to pull it this season. So hopefully I'll get somebody to run my tractor so I can get some footage on my new one. And just been taking it easy. But I come out in the shop and I do a little bit, do a lot of sitting around. But I just thought I would do a video, let you all know we're still going at it. Junior's been coming over doing the work on the tractors. And I'm basically here just coaching him along. But this one's been having a really good season. This was the one that belonged to John, and he basically said he was done when the motor blowed up a year ago. And he's back in the full swing of it now, and he's running the tractor pretty good and running hard. But he's got some motor problems right now. He hurted it the last pull, like I said. But we're going to get it fixed up, and I'm going to go back out. John will put it back to work. It's been a tough tractor since I built this tractor for him years ago. But we're going to get him all fixed up. He'll be back out there running hard. This one will be out running. So we've been chipping away, getting this stuff done and getting everybody taken care of and get them set up. And just figured I'd give everybody an update because I haven't dropped any videos in a good while. I wasn't able to. So y'all follow these. Stay tuned, because hopefully we can get some footage of them out there pulling them. And hopefully I can shoot the rest of the video on getting this one, the head and everything all done, put back in. It's been an amazing road. Ever since I got hurt, it just kind of messed me up. Haven't been able to get in the shop. So, but we're getting better, and we'll start shooting videos, getting some footage out there on these Kohler Command motors. I enjoy working on these motors, and as soon as we get parts in for this one, I'll shoot another video and let you all see what we did, what it comes out to be, and let you hear this motor run. So stay tuned. There'll be more to come. thank you for watching, and if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do, and follow these builds.